For more than 30 years, Birk Manufacturing has been engineering and manufacturing flexible and rigid heaters, sensors, and thermal solutions. We serve industries with critical thermal needs such as medical, aerospace, defense, semiconductors, and many more. We are passionate about what we do. We make products that protect and save people's lives. These products might be mission critical, safety critical, or vital components in medical diagnostic equipment. We are dedicated to the highest quality and reliability of our products because we understand the importance of getting it right every time. What does engineering thermal solutions mean to us and our customers?
Our engineers are experts in thermal solutions. Because we work across multiple industries, our engineers have an incredible knowledge base to pull from. Our Design for Manufacturing program uses our full skill set and ensures that custom solutions are prototyped and tested for efficient and cost-effective manufacturing. Our customers design cutting-edge technology and products, and our engineered solutions are up to the task of providing the heat.
Our thermal capabilities are extensive. We make flexible and rigid heaters in a wide variety of materials to match the needs of each project. Our heaters, sensors, and controllers can be tailored for each application. All of our turnkey solutions are customizable. Over the years, we've brought all assembly work in-house, along with value-added capabilities like vulcanizing, laminating, welding, bonding, cable assembly, and multiple layer options. We've grown our capabilities in response to our customers' needs, and we'll continue to do that.
We pride ourselves on our experience, creativity, and speed. But it's the relationships we build with our customers that really bring out the best solutions. You can talk directly to one of our engineers. No red tape, no runaround. This partnership speeds up product development, reduces customers' reliance on multiple vendors, and allows us to quality test in the most effective ways to ensure compliance with the strictest regulations. Quality control underlines all our thermal solutions.
We manufacture products with the highest level of quality control standards. We are ISO 9001, ISO 1345, and AS 9100 certified. These show our ability to meet customer requirements and ship superior quality products that are safe and reliable. Our focus on quality is how we consistently achieve our customer satisfaction objective of greater than 95%.
If you'd like to find out how Birk Manufacturing can solve your thermal needs, just reach out. We'd be happy to discuss how we can help you achieve success.